Ready for school?
W is for wake, wake, wake. Open your eyes, a brand new day. Today is for breakfast, yum, yum, yum. Healthy food makes the morning fun. P is for pack, pack, pack. Books and pencils in my backpack. M is for move, move, move. Walking to school puts me in the groove. S is for school, school, school. Friends and teachers, learning is cool. R is for read, read, read. Stories and letters, knowledge we need. F is for friends, friends, friends. Happy school days that never end. Back to school, hooray, hooray. We learn and laugh the whole school day. Learning together makes us strong.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.